Session 59 of Unit 5 of Taxation of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In session 59, we shall see what are the important questions related to Unit 5, that is assessment procedure. Student must understand the important questions related to Unit 5. Students should be able to answer all the questions related to Unit 5. Theory questions are asked in Unit 5 in the examination, which are for 2 marks and for 8 marks. So we have 2 mark questions here covered from this Unit 5, that is assessment procedure, and 8 mark questions. In Unit 5, we have studied 11 sessions related to assessment procedure. In the examination, we have 3 sections to answer. Section A, which carries 2 marks, Section B carries 8 mark questions, and Section C carries 20 mark questions. From this Unit 5, that is assessment procedure, we do not have to answer any 20 mark questions. And as this entire unit is related to only theory aspect, we have questions on 2 marks, which we have already studied in all the sessions, the 11 sessions, and this is some of the questions here. State the different types of filing of returns. We have 7 ITRs, income tax return forms. We have voluntary return, compulsory return. What do you mean by pay as you earn scheme? Who is an assessing officer? Meaning of best judgment assessment. There are 5 types of assessments. Under that comes best judgment assessment. What is intimation of loss? What is appeal? If there is any error or mistake, or if you have to rectify something, then you need to appeal to the income tax authorities. What is belated return? Give the meaning of notice of demand. Who can use the ITR 2 form of return of income? So there are ITR 1 to ITR 7. So questions may be asked on different ITRs. So you need to know about which ITR is for which kind of SSC. What is regular assessment? So this comes under the types of assessments. What is reassessment? This is also among the 5 types of assessment. What is return of loss? Write any 2 advantages of e-filing of income tax return. That is electronic filing of income tax return. What are the advantages? What is a notice of demand? What is the meaning of electronic filing? Now let us see 8 mark questions which are asked in section B. Explain different types of assessment. So you need to explain the 5 types of assessments. Write a note on permanent account number. So what is permanent account number and where it is required? In which cases permanent account number is compulsory? All this information you require to give. Explain the meaning and needs of tax planning. So what is tax planning and what are the needs of tax planning? So there are some 5-6 points related to the need for tax planning. This is for 8 marks. Next is explain briefly, 4 marks each. They may ask you answer any 2 among these: rectification of mistake, best judgment assessment, reassessment. So this is the likely questions that are asked from this entire unit, that is Unit 5. References: